It seems like DEWALT Tool has finally decided to officially join the 12-volt party. It was previously that your only game in town was to go with Milwaukee's M12 line of tools if you needed an expansive battery platform based in 12 volts. If you wanted something compact, if you wanted something powerful, you could only go Milwaukee. But now, DEWALT said it's enough! We want in! Because their users want in. There was a huge announcement that was shared with us. And when something huge gets shared with us, it gets shared with you. And we're going to do that right after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. Head on over to the merch store if you want to help the channel by purchasing hats, hoodies, t-shirts, stickers. Link will be down below. Now here's the deal. We are big fans of the Extreme line of tools from DEWALT. I will tell you that they got it right with this platform so far. They've delivered a very lightweight and compact, powerful drill driver. The impact driver, super awesome. They have a 3/8 impact wrench, multi-mode. Here's the deal. They've improved the batteries. They've given the standard 2 amp and 3 amp hour batteries a fuel gauge now. But DEWALT heard you. You said to them, it's not enough. You need more tools. You need more battery options. Well, they must have heard you. Here's what they said. It says, DEWALT debuts Extreme Subcompact Series 12-volt max impact wrenches for tight area jobs. New 1/2 inch and 3/8 inch impact wrenches adding to the growing Extreme Subcompact Series. Wrenches deliver upgraded torque levels. DEWALT's 1/2 inch DCF 901 and 3/8 inch DCF 903 at only 5.2 inches in length and a weight of 2 pounds each. The compact impact wrenches enable access for jobs in tight areas. Each of the new 12-volt max impact wrenches deliver up to 250 foot-pounds of max tightening torque and up to 400 foot-pounds of max breakaway torque. Now, here's the deal. A lot of companies give you only that breakaway torque, that nut-busting torque, because the nut-busting number is always higher. If you were to compare apples to apples, at 400 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque or breakaway torque, that's huge, huge for a 12-volt tool. It says 400 foot-pounds of max breakaway torque for use in a variety of automotive applications, including brake repair, engine bay work, suspension repair. And both models feature a hog ring anvil for easy socket changes, glass-filled nylon housing that helps to resist the effects of harsh automotive chemicals and solvents, as well as an LED light ring for visibility in low light environments. Everybody's been begging for the tri-light configuration that DEWALT has. And they've done it again. They've put it on these improved impact wrenches. I mean, here's the deal. Can you think of a darker space than inside an engine bay or underneath a car? That's when you need that high visibility. Awesome. It says these are going to be available early 2021. The Subcompact Series 1/2 inch and 3/8 impact wrenches will be sold both kitted and bare tool. Kitted kits will include 2 batteries, one 12-volt max oil-resistant 3 amp hour battery and one 12-volt max oil-resistant 5 amp hour battery. That oil-resistant 5 amp hour battery that everyone has been going crazy, as well as the standard, the non-oil resistant 5 amp hour battery. People have been going nuts over them. I've been dying to get my hands on one. I've been checking week in and week out during our live streams where we do tool tours through tool stores, namely Lowe's Home Improvement. They were supposed to run a promo on these Extreme line of tools where they're giving you a free 5 amp hour battery for the first quarter of 2021. The problem is that none of the stores that we've been to have had the 5 amp hour battery. What's the holdup, DEWALT? Are they stuck on the water? The oil-resistant 5 amp hour battery product number is DCB126G. in case you were wondering. As well as the DEWALT Charger DCB112. It's going to be a multi-volt charger that will charge your 12-volt max batteries. But it will also charge your 20-volt max batteries, which is great because if you're able to score maybe a bare tool and battery deal, now you already have the charger to charge that 20-volt max battery as well. Good on you, DEWALT. Bare tool, those impact wrenches, 1/2 inch or 3/8, will be $149. The kits are priced at $349. And if you wanted a protective rubber boot, it'll be $20. And if you like being able to get a protective rubber boot to protect your investment for $20, then smash the like button. Also, leave it down below. What do you think about DEWALT's 12-volt extreme line of tools? Are you happy they're expanding? Are you happy that they're expanding in the direction of automotive? Or do you want them to expand into plumbing, electrical, carpentry? Where do you want to see DEWALT's focus go? We want to know. Leave it all below. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.